How to style your hair only using a hair styling cream and a sea salt spray. Well, the first thing you do is that you start with the sea salt spray as a pre-styler. Alright, there we go. Let me just apply it all over my head. That's it. Next up, I'm gonna use this metal hairband, and if you are someone that's wondering where you can find yourself a metal hairband like this, I'll have a link to my Etsy shop. So basically, the reason a metal hairband is convenient to use is because it helps you to distribute your hair. And if you're someone that feels like your hair gets quite messy, or you feel like you don't really have full control over your hair, by using a metal hairband, you can easily put it into place. Because have a look at it, it's not bad. The next step is using a texture comb. And the reason you want to use a texture comb is to get rid of all of the flyaways and just make sure that your hair is more neat and compact, whilst also promoting more of a volume look. That's pretty much it. I mean, just simply have a look at it. I've only applied a sea salt spray so far, used a metal hairband and a texture comb just to distribute my hair, but you can instantly tell that there's a lot of volume in my hair. And that's why the next product that we're gonna use is a hair styling cream. So when it comes to a hair styling cream, it's not a very strong product, and that's why it's important to use a sea salt spray as a pre-styler, just to make sure your hair is distributed in the way you want to have your hairstyle. So let me emulsify it. There we go. And let's apply it on my hair. That's it. And there we go, that's the final hairstyle look. So obviously, because of the sea salt spray, using the metal hairband and using the texture comb, I've been able to give my hair so much volume. But by using the hair styling cream, I've given my hair a little bit more hold. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you want me to make a future video where I'll do a different hairstyle or use different products, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.